What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. On this post, I'll be telling you guys about Klaytn USD and see what is going on in this market. Before diving into Klaytn, however, I will be doing my usual market update analysis. So basically on all the major market indicators, which includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, total altcoin market cap, Bitcoin dominance, and see what is going on in some of these bigger market indicators that will affect a lot of the altcoins. So I would not actually dive into particular altcoins before looking at any of these major market indicators first, because they could have a major effect on the altcoins. Now, before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, as I should be coming out with more regular content if this bull run continues. Please also read my full disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor and none of this should be taken as financial advice. I am purely sharing with you guys my speculations and opinions on this market. I do have quite a bit of the altcoins myself, so my opinion and bias here is still currently bullish, right? Now, do your own due diligence and be responsible for your own money, because this market is extremely risky and volatile. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a crypto.com or Webull account, make sure to check out my affiliate links in the video description section below. If you guys are in the US, I know that Webull is still giving away 2 free stocks if you successfully sign up with them and deposit $100. And I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up with them using my affiliate link. That directly supports me and keeps my channel running, so I truly appreciate that. Now let's go ahead and dive right into some of these major market indicators. And firstly, I will take a look into Bitcoin dominance first, where we are now below 43%. Since about 2 weeks ago there, where it had the price action here had hit about 48%, it has been running within a falling wedge pattern and has crashed below some of these, a lot of these major moving averages. I think we are actually below all major moving averages here, even the 3-day 21 SMA here. So that is and has been a good sign for the short term, but Bitcoin dominance is running within a falling wedge pattern here, which is generally a bullish pattern. If Bitcoin dominance actually breaks back upwards, that is not as good for the altcoins as opposed to if it actually continues downwards, right? But all of this has to be given that Bitcoin does not dump, of course. If Bitcoin dumps, I think a lot of the altcoins are going to be dumping with it, as we have seen over and over again. Let's go ahead and go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin here. So if we actually zoom quite a bit out on the weekly time frame here, we do see a cup and handle pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern, right? Since price action has hit about that 67K level, it has had quite a few trading patterns here, including a head and shoulders pattern, which is generally a bearish pattern, falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern, broke out of that, and then there was a inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is generally bullish. However, right now, price action is back below that daily 21 SMA again, so I'll be a little cautious, even though this inverse head and shoulders pattern is still intact. As I've been saying, if the daily candles start closing below some of these wicks, which I view to be the shoulder level, I would say about 59.5 there, just to be more exact, about 59.5 there. If we start getting daily candle closes below that, I think that would invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and more downside could be coming, as I would see the next level of area of support there would be about 57, 58K, which was also a fib level there, right? So if we start getting daily candle closes below 59.5, more downside could be expected for Bitcoin, and that would translate into a lot of the altcoins. Let's go ahead and go into Ethereum. Now, I look at Ethereum because it is a market leader for the total altcoin market cap, and as I've been saying over and over again, I will show you guys why if you guys are new to the channel or just need a reminder. Now, Ethereum here, it has broken out of a cup and handle pattern, has smashed through that $4,400 resistance. That was the previous resistance from the week of May 10th here, right? Now, price action did get as far up as about almost $4,700 before pulling back to where it is right now. Now, this is significant because from my observations, Ethereum has been leading ahead of the total altcoin market cap charts, which the total 3 chart, excluding Ethereum, right? It has broken out of this cup and handle pattern. If we actually go to total 3, price action here looks like it is following Ethereum as of right now, has broken out of its own cup and handle pattern as well. That $1 trillion mark, as I've been talking about. So this is what I'm looking at, and this is what I'm basing my bullish opinion on the altcoins off of, right? For now, at least. Now, this represents a majority of this bullish price action here on total altcoin market cap, total 3 here, does represent a majority of the altcoins, but for any particular altcoins itself, you might want to look into the setup yourself. Let's go ahead and go to KLAYUSD. KLAYUSD, a pretty new coin here, so not much data, no data on the monthly RSI here. That's what I'm paying attention to. Very little data on the weekly time frame RSI here. Not in overbought territory, but let's take a look into the lower time frames here. Still, I consider to be major time frames, but the lower of the major time frames, the 3-day and the daily time frames, right? We're above the only major moving average here for the 3-day time frame, which is the 3-day 21 SMA. We're currently right below the daily 21 SMA here, which is the blue line here. And if we actually zoom out a little bit, I do see a cup and handle pattern that is developing, right? The neckline of this cup and handle pattern, I would just say it's $2, right? Because that is an exact number. And that was also what the previous resistance here is. I don't think we could be too exact, but I would just safely say that the neckline of this cup and handle pattern to be $2, even though we don't have any touches here on the right side, right? Let's get a measure move here based off this estimation. Now, I'm not going to include this big wick here because I want to be a little conservative to my audience here, but let's do a very technical measurement here, right? So that will give me a measure move of about $2, just right underneath, a little bit above $2.60 there, a bit above $2.60. That's the measure move. Now, measure moves are theoretical moves only. The actual move could be lower or higher, so it's something to be keeping in mind, right? So this is what I'm looking at for Klaytn. Very quick update here. Let me see if there's anything notable on the lower time frames below the daily time frame there, right? So we are below quite a bit of moving averages on the 12-hour, 6-hour, excuse me, 4-hour. Let's see if this is possible. I don't think I can make any of this. Yeah. So I'm just going to leave it at that on the daily time frame there. And this is my very short update on the markets, which comes before any particular altcoins, as I would say. I don't have any Klaytn USD, but I'm open to trading it if I see a good setup relative to any other altcoins I am trading. So that is my very quick take here. If you guys do enjoy this video, if you guys do want me to continue making updates on Klaytn, please do give this video a thumbs up. If I get enough views on this video, I will continue to bring updates, and I'll see you guys next time.